In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up or create a free GetResponse account. We'll walk through the entire process together, step by step, so you can follow along on your own screen. By the end of this video, you'll have your free trial account set up and ready to use without needing to enter any payment details. First, open your web browser and go to the official GetResponse website. Once the homepage loads, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You should see a button that says Sign Up Free. Go ahead and click that. This button takes you straight into the account creation process and is the fastest way to start your free trial. On the next page, you'll see a form where you can create your account. Here, you need to enter a few basic details. Start by typing in your full name, then your email address, and then create a secure password. Make sure your password is something you can remember, but also strong enough so others can't guess it easily. If you prefer, you may also see options to sign up using an existing Microsoft or Google account. That can be a quick shortcut if you want to avoid filling in your email and password manually. Once everything looks good, click the button that says Create Free Account. The page will reload and you'll be asked for a bit more information. This time you'll need to enter your first name, your last name, and select your country from the drop-down list. There may also be optional fields for your phone number and your company name. You can fill these in if you'd like, especially if you're setting this up for a business, but they're not required to continue. When you're done, click Next Step. On the following screen, you'll provide your address details. Type in your street address, your zip or postal code, your city, and your state or province. This information helps GetResponse in setting up your account region correctly. After you've filled everything out, click Next Step again. At this point, your free account will be created and you'll be logged in automatically. You now have access to all of GetResponse's features for 14 days, completely free, and you don't need to enter any card details or payment information to start exploring the platform.